In September 2015, the General Assembly adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development that includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Building on the principle of leaving no one behind, the new agenda emphasized a holistic approach to achieving sustainable development for all. I am Muhammad Afif, and today I will be talking about goal number 13 of the Sustainable Development Goals. Goal number 13 is described as take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. In 2019, it was the second warmest year on record and the end of the warmest decade ever recorded. Studies have shown that the carbon dioxide levels and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere rose to a new record in 2019. Climate change is affecting every country on every continent. It is disrupting national economies and affecting lives. Weather patterns are changing, sea levels are rising, and weather events are becoming more extreme. What are the causes of climate change? One of the main reasons is daily usage of plastic bags. This chemically made thin, flexible object is used in everyday life to store and transport goods. It is also a common form of packaging. How are plastic bags and climate change related? Plastic bag and climate change are linked in a variety of ways. From air quality to ocean toxicity, plastic bags contribute to ecosystem disruption. Habitat destruction, fossil fuel emissions, and plastic pollution are some of the ways that plastic bags and climate change cannot be separated. An estimated 12 million barrels of oil are used to manufacture 30 million plastic bags that are used each year. When used for bags, it is a wasteful and unnecessary way to deplete oil supply and contribute to carbon dioxide buildup in our atmosphere. There are several solutions to counter this problem. First, we'll take a look at the engineering solution. Plastic bottles can be used as building materials. In a small town on a tiny island of Panama, residents are taking into plastic problems themselves by transforming plastic bottles into eco-friendly and stylish buildings. These buildings are remarkably efficient, keeping the house nearly 35 degrees Fahrenheit cooler or 2 degrees Celsius cooler than the surrounding Panamanian jungle. Moreover, one house can consume and lock away more than 20,000 bottles. The bottles are stuffed in between wire mesh and act as both insulation and a structural component. The final step involves covering the walls with concrete. Now, let's go into the non-engineering solution which everybody can play a part. First, you can decline the bag. Often, store employees are instructed to separate different types of products in different bags, or use a bag for only 1 or 2 items. Hand carry the items out of the store if you can. Next, you can bring your own reusable bag instead. The most challenging aspect of this is remembering to take them into the store and creating the habit. Even if you only have 1 or 2 reusable bags and a cart full of groceries, this would be 2 plastic bags that you have saved. The website reusethisbag.com suggests ditching the plastic altogether and offers 25 reasons to go reusable. Recycling the plastic bags is another option. Many thrift stores will reuse plastic bags for their merchandise. Some department stores and grocery stores will also often have a location where you can drop off, clean, and dry your plastic bags to be recycled. Finally, reuse the plastic bags yourself. Think of a creative way that you can use the bags to save your money and time. For instance, plastic bags can be used as small garbage can liners, going to the pool, or even plastic bag art projects. The usage of plastics in everyday life is proven to contribute to climate change, and time is running out before the Earth cannot be restored into a habitable planet by humans. With the accurate steps taken, we can preserve life of planet Earth and its inhabitants. This can also lead to achieving one of the targets of goal number 13, which is promote mechanisms for raising capacity for effective climate change related planning and management in least developed countries and small island developing states, including focusing on women, youth, and local and marginalized communities.